It works does the job I used it for. I am using this stuff to bind up everything from Christmas lights to the poles for my hammock stand. Love the first can cut to size. Use this for work and for play. Keep coming up with uses like wrapping extension cords for hanging, Chirstmas lights to stay untangled, wrap tent legs together when we want 2 or more lined up on the beach, as a strap to make a sleeved shirt appear sleeveless, etc. This roll of Velcro straps has many uses in my house and garage. I use strips to keep my extension cords in order. Same with my hoses. My wife uses them to roll up her garden flags by season. Rolling them keeps them clean and not wrinkled. It's good to have some around for when you need them. Got it for cable management. Good quality and price. Yep, it works as it should. I'm not using for heavy things so can't comment on that, but seems like it shouldn't be a problem. To hold down a window cover. Using it on my metal mall panels in my 4Runner. Holds tight. Click link in description for more reviews.